Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, Future Chief, to the exciting world of Clash of Clans. This game is all about building your very own powerful village, training a mighty army, and then using them to attack other players. Your journey starts with a simple town hall, and from there, you'll gradually expand your empire piece by piece. It's a fantastic blend of strategy and fun. When you first start, your town hall is truly the heart of your village, so always prioritize its upgrades. Remember to build plenty of resource collectors, such as gold mines and elixir collectors, to keep your economy strong. And don't forget your defenses. Walls, cannons, and archer towers are absolutely crucial for protecting your village from incoming raids. Attacking other players is a core part of Clash of Clans, and it's where you earn most of your vital resources. Start by training a variety of troops at your barracks, then search for enemy bases with good loot. When you're ready, deploy your army carefully, watching out for hidden traps and defensive weaknesses to maximize your rewards. Joining a clan is one of the very best ways to enhance your Clash of Clans experience. Clans provide a friendly community, give you access to powerful donated troops, and open up opportunities for amazing rewards. You'll be able to participate in epic clan wars with your teammates, working together to crush your opponents, and that's incredibly rewarding. Clash of Clans is truly a marathon, not a sprint, so embrace patience as you continuously upgrade your buildings and troops. Make sure to participate in all the seasonal events and challenges. They offer fantastic bonuses and unique items. With new updates arriving regularly, like those expected in 2025, there's always something new to explore and master in this evolving game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.